my question is about the age, the best age of the vaccination. What the ideal age for vaccination against coccidia?
Well, if you the aim is to have the birds in contact with the parasites, with small amounts of parasites, the earlier possible. So I think the best age for vaccination is the first day of age. In France, we promote vaccination at the hatchery at 1 day of age, but it can also be done during the first week. For the vaccines which are allowed in Europe, it's between 1 and 3 days of age before the birds can get in contact with wild population, because the precocious strains, they have low prolificacy. So if they are in competition with the virulent ones withdraw with much stronger effect, and the precocious ones, they will disappear among the virulent strains. So it's very important to vaccinate the birds the most early we can, in order for these precocious ones to develop and to have the space in the gut to develop, because they are less prolific than virulent ones. Yes.
Thank you.
So early.